RIP to this iced coffee. Shout out to everyone who's tried my iced coffee recipe and said they loved it.
That's such a confidence boost, thank you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do another Get Lit With Me playlist video. Because I know you all absolutely
love my music taste, because I'm the music taste queen.
No, but I want to do another Get Lit With Me playlist. Or actually, this one's not so much Get Lit, but like my music taste is mostly kind of music, you know, if you know what I mean. But in this video I actually have a few other kind of genres. So I'm just going to call this video my current favourite.
Music's like
my current playlist, kind of. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Rebeccaellie, as you can see by the, like, when you clicked on this video. If you want to join my family, it will make my heart
so happy.
So yeah, just click the subscribe button if you want to do that. Also hit the bell button so you won't miss a single upload. Don't know why I'm acting so weird, probably because it's like kind of nighttime. Well, it's not really nighttime. I mean, it's like 8 o'clock, but I never film videos like this late. I mean, it's not even late. Most YouTubers film their videos at like 2 AM. I'm just...
not like all of the other YouTubers, I guess.
Okay, first song.
I know we want you, but you're nothing like me. I've been looking at her, thinking my weed, running up checks, bloody only like fuck what you heard. I've been out here living my best life. You know what it gets like.
By the way, before I get questions about this, my top is from Fila times Junkyard, like their collection thing. Hi everyone, so I just want to pop in here and let you know that I have a competition in collaboration with Junkyard Girls. That is Junkyard's Instagram. You know, I have done loads of videos with Junkyard. I just love their clothing so much, and you have the chance to win a clothing piece or your favorite clothing piece from the Fila and Junkyard collaboration clothing line. I have a lovely package from Junkyard here with a few products, like my favorite things from the Junkyard Fila collection. So I'm going to show you them, and then once I've showed you that, you can enter the giveaway. And this giveaway is only for Europe, so I'm sorry to those of you who don't live in Europe. I've just said Europe like 50 times. Stop me now. I'm so excited because I kind of forgot what I ordered. Oh yes, I've wanted a new hoodie for ages. This is going to be amazing for the autumn time. So it's really soft inside and it's just a white hoodie, and I don't own a white hoodie, and I thought this with a tan, like I've kind of got a little bit of a tan now, would be super cute. So yeah, it's this white hoodie, and then it says Fila, Fila, Fila all the way down there. On the front it just says Fila, their like normal logo, and I got this in a small because I want it to be a bit oversized, so you know that. Really love that. Yes, I'm hoping I can wear this as like a sweater dress. We'll see. Yeah, this is an unboxing haul, as you can tell. I just love unboxing hauls, don't you? Next thing we have is this really cool Fila t-shirt, and I got it in red just because I love red, and red is a really flattering colour. This is kind of an oversized crop top thingy going on here. I love me my crop tops and t-shirts, so this is like perfect. Got this one in a small as well, just because I don't like when t-shirts are too tight, and it's just Fila down the sleeves. Really cute. And with this, brace yourself. I don't know if I will dare to wear this out, but the bottoms, it's a set, guys. And they have all of these things they have in loads of different colours. I think I got all the colours, white, blue and red. So yeah, the bottoms are super cool. I don't own anything like this, so I'm kind of scared, you know. Some people will hate these, some people will love them. I'm like, I have a hate love to these kind of trousers, but I like these. Like, I don't hate these, I kind of love them. And this is the front, and they've got the Fila stripes down, and they're just like straight legged. And I got these in an extra small just because I'm like a petite and I'm really short, so I got those. Last thing we have is one of the blue colors. I love this blue color.
Oh my god.
This is a really weird material. I didn't expect this. It's like a shiny material, like workout clothing, so it might be to work out in, which is really cool. And I got this one in a small as well. Okay, looks absolutely huge, look at that. But it's a lovely cropped hoodie. I'm obsessed with hoodies. There's Fila there. I love this blue color, and it's got like cinched arms. Oh, that's really cool. Yes, we love that. Now I've showed you everything I got, and I really like this collection a lot. If you want to be able to win your favorite piece from their clothing line, they obviously have more. I will link them down below so you can check them all out. Then all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and follow Junkyard Girls on Instagram. I'll put Junkyard Girls Instagram name here, and once you've done that, I want you to comment your favorite piece from the Junkyard and Fila collection in the comments of this video. And also comment your Instagram name so I can contact the winner. I will need your address and stuff, so if you're under 18, please ask for your parents' permission. Let's carry on with the vlog. Thank you for watching this part, and thank you to Junkyard for doing this giveaway with me. I've been loving Billie Eilish, or Billie Eilish. Wait, Billie Eilish.
What's her name?
My boy loves his friends like I love my split ends. My boy, my boy, my boy.
Okay, by the way, I just want to say, like, cringe warning. Like, if you've made it to this point, then okay, you're strong. But this video is going to be cringy because I'm not really being serious, so just like don't take my dancing or like lip syncing serious.
If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pools filled by models. Told the tide twice is what makes you a whore.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. You can't even fly.
My favorite part is like now.
I remember people who ain't fuck with me. They went to college, now all the niggas is history. Rag used to don't fuck with me. Now lately I've been living like a luxury.
Next. Revenge. Okay, yes, I know I shouldn't support this person, like, even though he's dead. Sorry. I don't know if that's insensitive. But he was an abuser, so I don't, like, worship him as a person or anything. I just really like this song. Just thought I'd put a little disclaimer in there.
I've done too great for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh man, what a world of things I hear. If I could act tomorrow, some break your heart. And you thought that I would let it go and let you up. Broke them out to break bones and break your thighs. Now I don't wanna let it go, so in my grave.
So I didn't really find this song, like, very special in the beginning, but after listening to it like a few times, I love it so much.
Young ambition, say we'll go slow, but we never do. We can just dance to this.
And I love Queen Ari's part as well, so.
Dear my lover, do that thing you never do sober. We can just dance to this. Don't take much to stop me. We can just dance to this.
Next.
Oh, my feet are falling asleep. Love Galore feat, Travis Scott. I've been listening to this a lot, like before as well, but I recently listened to it more, so yay.
Don't stop these niggas, do it for fun. Don't take it personal. You call me after the things I said. Skirt, oh nigga. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman?
Pete Davidson. Oh, I just screamed that. Love this song. It should be so much longer, in my opinion.
Under my life, look in my mind. No better place all the time. How they align. And I know you know that you're my soulmate and all that. I'm like, ooh.
So good. Just such a cute song. Another one of my favorites from her new album is Good Night and Go. So beautiful. No.
What I'm thinking, boy. Oh, why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you. Say goodnight and go. You miss your train and come stay with me. We'd be great together.
I mean, her high notes and vocals in that song, off the chart. So good. I don't even know if you say off the chart, but you understand what I mean. Successful. I just love the lyrics of this. I just think it's such a cute, like, different song. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this like you haven't heard it before, because most of you, I mean, 90% of you probably have, so.
It feels so good to be so young and have this fun and be successful. I'm so successful, yeah. And girl, you too, you are so young and beautiful.
This is also one of my favorites off the album. After this, I'm done with Ariana, like, for this playlist video, so don't worry.
It's like something out of Shakespeare, because I'm really not here when you're not there. Yeah. You get high and call on the regular. I get weak and fall like a teenager. Why, oh, why does God keep bringing me back to you?
I don't know, I just like the lyrics, the rhythm, the beat, her voice. Everything's just, I love it.
Alpha, what?
It's managed to get dark under the time of me filming this video, so.
Yes.
Live by loyalty and honor. How to treat a woman proper. Cause I've seen mama suffer. Take away my freedom. Now they gonna take away my spirit. Yo, we always have spirit. Every siren is getting fire. Hold your head higher.
Yeah, John tell me about my mother. 16 shots, we go longer than all other. Why can't this me or my mother? Round here, I size everybody need ammo. 16 shots, we go shut out any blood.
Me gotta be better than a King Stony, but I mess with my mommy, with my mommy, with my mommy.
So like the lyrics in this song are really like what are you actually saying? And like, so, but I like the song anyway, so let's just play it.
She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck.
So my friend Louise showed me this song when me and my ex broke up, and she was it's not like a breakup song that you want to listen to straight after you break up with someone, because like, I don't know.
You'd probably start crying or something.
But now, once it's gone a while, I just think this song is so cute. It's called Break Up Together by Tio. I don't know, I'll obviously have it on the screen, so here goes.
We used to make up together, now we break up together. Forever. We used to share everything. Toothpaste, laughter in the kitchen sink.
Okay, change of genre again, back to
I just want your number, baby. I'm seeing the look in your eyes, girl. You know that you done for. You better hold 790.
I'm ready now. I ain't gonna fall back. What if I'm not then it ain't no sense? So you tell your friends and they all your hands, baby, never mind. If I can have you, nobody can. Bare face so they all know who I am. If you saw what the skeng done to the man, if you saw what the skeng done to the man, black boy come like a dark Vader. Girl there looking like a Tomb Raider.
Disco Tits by Tove Lo.
Say hi, you say hi, we stay high. You look so pretty, yeah.
I'm sweat from head to toe. I'm wet through all my clothes. I'm fully charged, nipples are hot, ready to go. No, I don't have time. Take a hit. Come on over tonight. Take a hit.
I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Put me down in the ration. No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do.
No, I was just getting to the good part. Okay, I know that rap.
Cause bad bitches, it's a gift from God. I think you broke hoes, need to get a job.
Want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. My man is your man, hurt is her man too.
Our friend go for the plug, Susan dripping. And calling you rude boy, it's me that you're missing. Cause I just came to relax one time. They be saying, young nigga, how you act so fly. Just slow down, baby, take your time. She done spread it for them waist, man, yeah. Oh no, cause she knows that's mine. Them other things, man, they don't compare. She the only one that gets my shine. Fuck the girl on Insta, I don't even follow. I don't know time for these hoes. Oh yeah, I've been living life like it's too much. Fuck it, I might take your things to Abu Dhabi. Got some bad beats singing in a German, whip in a foreign. Got some bad beats singing in a German.
Get up on the throne. Get up on the throne, that's where you belong. So high, you can't reach. You know, they call you one in a million. To get you all of the millions. Yeah, yeah. Now make that money, girl. Make that money.
Okay, so that concludes my current playlist, or like my favorite songs from my current playlist. I have like such a long playlist, guys, and I'm sorry I don't actually have a public Spotify for you guys because it's like private with my real name and stuff. But I do make these videos quite often, and I have a playlist with like my music favorites, so you can watch those after this video. They'll be in this playlist. And I also have a Soundcloud, but on my Soundcloud I mostly like have songs that I use for my videos on there. If you want me to continue with these, please do leave a comment to let me know and give a thumbs up and stuff like that. And also like leave music requests if you want, like I mean music tips if you want to. But I feel like this video is so long, so I'm gonna end it here. But here are the shout outs for today's video. You guys are angels. I love you all so much, so thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. You don't even know how much it means to me. Follow my socials if you aren't following me on there already, because I update on them quite often and you can like take part in polls and stuff. But I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! By the way, I upload Wednesdays and Sundays. For those of you who didn't know, like keep an eye out on my channel on those days, so yeah, just a heads up.
Let's get this party started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in